This video is a quick review of these Aootek solar powered lights. I'll also share a couple of tips with you. One to make installation easier and another to help you get the best performance out of these lights. Now don't let the size fool you. These lights are very bright. Each light comes with two mounting screws and a cardboard template. In a bit, I'll show you how to tweak the template to make installation easier. On the back of the lights, there's a switch. It's used to cycle through the different lighting modes, and I'll walk you through how they work coming up. But first, here's a pro tip. Before installing your lights, take some time to observe how sunlight and shadows hit the spot where you plan to mount them. Solar lights need 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight to fully charge. If the area gets a lot of shade, you may need to choose a different location to ensure that the lights get fully charged during the day. Now let's talk about the switch on the back of the light. It controls the lighting modes that you see on your screen. The lights come from the factory with the switch in the off position. Press it once and the lights will come on when it gets dark and stay on all night. Press it twice and the lights will turn on dimly at night. When they detect motion, they'll brighten up and stay that way until the motion stops. Press the switch 3 times and the lights will stay off until they detect motion at night. When motion is detected, they'll turn on bright and remain lit as long as the motion continues. Now let's have a look at this cardboard template. To make installation easier, I recommend replacing it with a wooden template. A thin piece of wood works great. This way, when you mark the spot on the wall where you want to drill the holes to mount your lights, you can use a level to ensure that the lights will be mounted nice and straight. Thanks for watching.